Guys, Matty here from Gold Coast Plumbing Experts. Today we're at Pacific Pines doing a rainwater pump replacement. So stay with us. So this customer didn't realise, but she had been using town mains water supply for quite some time before she got us out to diagnose the failure in the pump. So this rainwater tank facilitates all the toilets in the house and the laundry. So it definitely serves its purpose in saving some money and dollars on water usage. So yeah, we'll get this pump installed and tested. The customer will be very happy. There you have it, your old pump has been removed, and the Davies pump, submersible pump to go in. Great quality product, this one. Alrighty guys, there you have it, all done. We've installed the new rainwater pump, submersibles inside the tank. We've replaced all the copper and fittings. We've also installed a new filtration cartridge, just because it'll protect all the fixtures inside and give them longevity. So yeah, this is a great product, 3-year warranty. If you guys have any rainwater pump issues, give the experts a call.
Call Gold Coast Plumbing Experts on 1300 600 632.